Hi, everyone. So I'm here to talk about the homework that you have for April 14th. During this week, it will be the assessment week for the Race Discrimination and Identity module. So everything will be due April 14th. The most important thing for me to tell you is that we will not be using Respondus Lockdown Browser. We will not be using it. You will access your assessments through Blackboard. You will only have to go through Blackboard. So first of all, you have to complete the comprehension exam for the race and discrimination. It has a 2-hour time limit. Then you have the vocabulary exam. That also has a 2-hour time limit. Please complete the reflective journal for race and discrimination. This is a chance for you to reflect upon your own learning and to give me feedback on the module itself. For prayers for the stolen, you will be doing journal 2 and you will complete the quiz 2. It has a 1-hour time limit and the quiz covers pages 61 through 45. And here is the link. The reading that you will need for the comprehension exam is Toni Morrison's Bluest Eyes, which we read and we talked about in class. So make sure that you have read it again, you have downloaded it so that you can look at it when you're taking the test because the test is open book. And then here you have your assessments with the time limits on each one of them. Take your time. You only have one attempt for each assessment, so make sure that you can finish it and do the best that you can. I know you guys will be great, and let me know if you have any questions. Take care, stay safe, be healthy.